Hey everyone, welcome back to Artland. So we've been doing a lot of really cool drawings with the Jurassic World, the game, hybrids, and some of the different level 40 dinosaurs. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a level 40 Velociraptor. I hope you guys enjoy. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to add a little oval shape for the eye. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, and it's going to kind of curve up above the eye. Then right here, we're going to draw a little line that goes up, and it's going to go down. Then it's going to come down to here. And then I'm going to bring it back, and it's going to come up like this. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that goes down. Kind of follows the same shape. Make a little line that goes down. It's going to come up. And then we're going to go back and up here for the jaw. Right here, I'm going to add a little curved line for the nose. And then I'm going to add a little line that goes down, and it's going to kind of curve around here. Then start here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down. Next, you want to come up here. We want to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down here for the neck. Draw a little line that goes down for the back. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up, and it's going to come back here for the tail. Next, I'm going to draw the tail. I'm going to keep it skinny, and then as I get closer to the body, it's going to get wider and wider. Now, starting right here, we're going to just draw a line that's going to go in for the neck. Little line that goes down and then over here. For the arms, they're really easy. We're going to draw a line that goes down. We'll make an angle line that goes out and then comes back. For the claws, we're going to make a little line that curls around and then comes up. I'm going to make another one right here, kind of does the same thing. I'll put one more back here. Then we're going to go up. We're going to go over and then come up here. And you see I made it a lot wider, so it looks like we got more of the arm there. Then over here, we're just going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to come down. We'll curl it around for one of the claws. We'll add another one right in here. And we're going to go up, and then we'll come back towards the body. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down. Then I want to start high up here, and we're going to draw a line that goes down. We're going to bring it back. And then we'll go down here. Over here, we're going to make a line that goes down. I'm going to curl it in just a bit, and we'll draw a line that goes out and then comes down here for the leg. Now for the toes, I want to start here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to curl around here. Draw another one that goes out. It's going to curl around. And then they're going to have that really big toe that's really high up, and it's going to curve back here. Now the next one, I'm actually going to start it right here by the arm. So I'm going to go down just a bit, and I'm going to go straight down. start the back of the leg over here. We're just going to go down. Draw the foot right here. We're just going to curve over and come back. Another one right here that just kind of curls back. And then one more that's really high and comes back here. This leg's a little bit on the big side, but that's okay. So now we have our basic shape of our raptor. We want to come in here and add all the details. So one of the first things I want to do is I want to add some of the claws onto here. So I'm going to add a big claw right here. And I actually put this one on the wrong side. It should have been over here, but that's okay. We'll just add another big claw there. We'll add some claws onto the ends of the feet. We'll add the claws onto the fingers here. I'll add another little one right here. I'm going to add a couple of curved lines where the arms and legs are going to be. I'll add a couple little lines right by the neck here and the jaw. I'm going to put a little line right here, and we want to add some teeth in here. So we're just going to put some small sharp teeth on the top, and we'll put some small sharp teeth on the bottom. I'm going to add some little lines that go right around the eye here. I'm going to make a little line that curves around and comes down. I definitely want to leave that little opening in there. Maybe a line or two there. Could add another little curved line up here. Add a little line right above the jaw, and a little line coming down the mouth, and then one here too. I'm going to add a couple little quick lines along the neck. A little curved line down here, kind of where the kneecap would be. Maybe a little line here by the arm. Curve that around a bit. Now he's got this kind of crazy big tall spike on his head. So to do this, we just want to draw a nice line that goes up at an angle. It's going to come to a point and then come down a little bit. We're going to draw another one here, goes up, kind of does the same thing. He's going to have a really tall one here. It's going to be a lot wider. I like to leave these broken lines in here. There's going to be one here that comes down, and then one more here. Now he's going to have a lot of spikes coming down the back too, so we're going to put some spikes going right down the neck. They get a little bit bigger towards the back, and they kind of curve a little bit, almost like a little shark fin. And then as they move towards the tail, they're going to get a little bit smaller. And they're going to come right down to the tail, real small. Then when they get to the end of the tail, there's going to be a long one that curves up and down. And then another little bit shorter one towards the tip. There's going to be a big claw or spike kind of coming out of the back of the legs. And there's also going to be a few small spikes coming down here too. Make sure we have the tail connected. I'm going to draw just a little broken line going right down the body just to kind of show where there's going to be a change in color. There's going to be all these stripes coming down here too. Now you could either draw these out, or you could just draw them in when you color. I'm going to add them real quick, and you can see they're just really like little tiger stripes. So they're really thin, really close together, and they're going to come all the way down the body of our raptor. So I'm just going to kind of fill these in. You could put a little bit more of like a wavy pattern in here if you want to, but I'm just going to go in and just kind of fill in the whole body with these stripes. Now, once you have the stripes on the back and the tail, then you want to add them across the legs too. So they're going to be coming right across the legs here. There's even some along the back too. And then you even want to put some on the arms as well. We're just going to go right across the arms. And I'll put some on this leg too. And I'll put some on the top of this arm. Then for the pupil, you just want to add a little black dot in here. I like to leave a little bit of white in there. And then we can even add a few little spike or little stripes on the head. And there you go. There's your drawing of a level 40 Velociraptor from Jurassic World. Now there's going to be a really cool color pattern in here when you go to color this. It's actually kind of a throwback to the original Jurassic Park vehicles. So he's going to be green on top, he's going to have the yellow underneath, and then everything else is going to be in kind of like this dark red color. And it's a really cool throwback to the original cars from the Jurassic Park movie. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.